Wow, it's even worse to my east. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my God. It's like pitch black to the south and east. Wow. Whoa. You can hear how this side the wind is really brewing it. It's not raining yet, but wow. Whoa. Unbelievable. Should have heard that wind gust. Well, ladies and gentlemen. What? What's going on?
Pouring rain downtown.
Oh, rewind it.
There's not that much to see. I didn't get a lot, but here, go.
They're going to get some ultra rain as well. It is really coming down there. Look at that live shot right now, Elliot. Just absolutely pouring rain downtown Miami. Just a little piece has broken away from the main area of showers and storms that are still yet to move in across Miami-Dade and Broward counties here. We'll show you where that is on the radar in just a minute. But again, that was the big concern. Not just the rain, but the possibility of lightning and some wind gusts over 50 miles an hour as well. We've been tracking this all week long, and it's moving in pretty much right on schedule. This is the live view. First of all, you notice the showers and storms all moving off from west to east, so we'll continue to time that. Looks like the back edge of all of this will be through by about 11 o'clock tonight, and then tapering down to just a few showers. But in Broward County, pick a spot. It's either raining or it has rained or will rain in the next 15 to 30 minutes or so. Fast-moving, gusty showers going through. I'd like to tell you where it is and where it's not, but by the time I get the words out of my mouth, it's already stopped and stored someplace else. These are just really flying, these showers. So you're going to get wet no matter where you are in Broward County for the next couple of hours. Miami-Dade County, you see, again, some spotty showers in a few spots, locally heavy, but it's this line right here out in the Everglades, and I've got the storm tracker on. That one is moving off to the east-northeast at about 35 miles an hour. This one, we're pretty confident will be in Hialeah by about 6:44, over towards Sun Life Stadium at 6:51. And
This is a thunderstorm?
Hollywood by about 7 o'clock. So again, at 35 miles an hour, this is really flying. And here are some of the heavy downpours we just showed you in downtown Miami. Right there, that cell is heading right toward Port Miami and Miami Beach, South Beach as well. Fortunately, right now, it is not raining at Key Biscayne. This particular shower looks like it'll go just north of the Miami Open, at least that particular one, but others will come in later on tonight. We also have some heavy showers fire up around Homestead and Florida City now, and you folks in Key West have some gusty showers and storms going through. Look at that cell right there, about to pass to the north of you into the Gulf and over toward Florida Bay. Again, it's going to be a busy night, at least for the next few hours, across a good portion of South Florida. The worst is going to be from 7 o'clock till 10 o'clock for just about everybody. It won't really end entirely until about midnight, especially in the Keys. You can expect winds.
The worst is tonight. Tonight's going to be the most.
Yeah, I don't remember. Because I thought it would be an easier way to just put it there. You know what I'm saying?
Anywhere, anytime. Then taper into showers after midnight, 65. Beautiful weather for the weekend. Sunny skies, breezy, nice. That's the payoff.
Right.
For all the storms tonight. 76. Small craft advisory in effect. Winds from the north-northwest, 20 to 25. So kind of a bumpy ride for the boulders out there. Look at the weekend.
No, si es uno más grande. Como lo hacen como los buenos que tienen grande.
Next week looks more like spring than what we've seen lately. John, thank you.
Ah,
Next
okay,
Sports Live
okay.
on Key Biscayne with Miami Open highlights, and the Panthers make a push for the playoffs. And don't forget,
Whoa.
Because they usually have it for weddings.
live at cbsmiami.com.
Can you make my dinner?
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
They said tonight, by 7 o'clock, it's going to be worse.
Oh, okay.
Can you make my dinner, please?
Yes.